All right, everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at this universal car mount. It's made by SYNCWIRE. It's supposed to be an all metal, like aluminum type mount. If you've had a phone for a while in your life, finding a cell phone holder for the car is sometimes not easy. And if you find one that's decent, it's expensive. So this is right in a good market price. For the quality that you're gonna get. We took a look at it, but we'll unbox it and show you guys. Inside, you'll get an entire kit that has metal rings, instruction manual, all that stuff. The mount, the backing plate, and that's it. So let's get everything out, take a look at it real quick. That's the part that would be on your phone or touch your phone. It's pretty smooth. Here's the aluminum bracket. Oh, it's got a nice stiffness to it so that the phone won't bounce around. This is adjustable here. Seems like it is. Oh, yep. And it has an adhesive pad there and some instructions. You gotta leave it 5 hours at least before using it. All right, inside they give you some wet wipes, a couple of those rings, and oh, that's another pad. So if you mess up, you get a second pad. You get a ring for your phone in case you want to put it on the case. Actually, you get 2 rings. They gave another one. So they give you 2 rings, some wet wipes, which are probably just alcohol pads, and warranty policy. Let's see here. 3 years from the date of purchase. All right, that's not too bad if they honor it. And let's see the instruction manual. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory how to install these things, honestly. So we'll go through it and show you how to install it. All right, we're inside the truck. That's the old type of mount we had. It kind of just used to flop around and stick on, so we're getting rid of that. And this is where we're gonna put the new mount right there. We cleaned it off with the alcohol pad that they had, and it looks like it's gonna fit perfectly somewhere around there. That's a nice flat, smooth area, so we're gonna get it pressed on there and see how it looks. All right, we got it stuck on there. I have to tell you that we pushed this down on there, and that adhesive grabbed very, very good. I don't think this thing's gonna come off at all. It says to wait at least 5 hours before you mount the phone, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll come back. Well, all right, there it is. It absolutely looks beautiful. It's a nice mount, solid design. We went ahead and we stuck the little magnet on the back there. It comes with the black one and a white one. And we'll show you how it sticks. Right on there. No issues at all. I mean, it's on there. You can shake. Nothing's falling. And then it has all this adjustability on here, up and down. You can loosen this here, spin it, and then this can unlock and pop in. But overall, definitely a good mount. We did test it with an iPhone 12, no case, and it will stick to this. So overall, this is an excellent little mount. I hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.